In today's workplace, supporting employee mental health is a must, especially if you want to build a strong company culture. Yet not all companies offer an extensive corporate wellness program aimed at helping employees manage today's many stresses. Meet Doug. Doug is a senior manager at ABC & Associates in Dublin, Ohio. A little while back, Doug had a problem. More and more, he'd noticed his team feeling stressed and unhappy. With growing demands on his department, he'd seen team members skip lunch to get through emails and take calls and virtual meetings in the evenings during personal time. The heavy workload had created an unhealthy work-life balance that not only left everyone feeling stretched and tired, but also negatively affected productivity and the company's bottom line. Luckily, Doug's a smart cookie, and he cares about his team, which is how he came upon FitBiz. FitBiz is a corporate wellness service offered exclusively to Dublin businesses and organizations. Whether you already have a wellness program or you're just starting out, FitBiz designs customized solutions that include nationally certified trainers and instructors, registered dietitians, and experienced health professionals. All the details are handled for you and your company, and programs can be offered both in person and virtually. Through a partnership with Ohio State University and Centero, FitBiz schedules instructors to fit your wellness needs. For Doug and his team, this was the boost they needed. FitBiz helped implement wellness coaching, routine fitness classes, and healthy eating education for ABC & Associates. With the company supporting their healthier lifestyles, team members began to feel better about themselves, improving morale and camaraderie around the office, and creating a strong sense of community. In just 6 months, sick days and turnover rates were on the decline, while productivity and job satisfaction greatly improved. That's the FitBiz wellness effect. Like Doug, you've got a good head on your shoulders. So when it comes to the well-being of your team and the health of your company, let FitBiz provide wellness support to keep your employees feeling balanced and mentally fit.